Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make a dynamic calendar in Google Sheets. So let's get started. First, you want to select column A and resize it to 50. Next, you want to resize rows 1 and 3 to 30. Then, you want to resize rows 2 and 6 to 11 to 80. Then resize row 4 to 40. And finally, resize row 5 to 10. Now scroll down and head over to cell B13 and type in January in all caps. After that, you're going to drag this part right here down all the way to row 24. And that will automatically give us the list of all the months. Next, you want to scroll back up. Select cells B2 to E2. And you want to merge them. Then you want to head over to Insert. And you want to click on drop down. From here, you're going to change the criteria to drop down from arrange. Then you want to click this button here and you want to scroll down and select B13 to B24. Now you want to scroll down and click on advanced options. Then scroll down again and change the display style from chip to arrow. Then hit done. Now we can close out of this. And if we head up here, as you can see, we now have a drop-down menu for our months. Now, you want to select all the cells in the sheet, so just click over here. Then you want to change the horizontal alignment to center and the vertical alignment to middle. Now you want to select the cells F2 to H2 and merge them as well. Now let's type in the year 2024. After that, you're going to select B2 to H2 and you want to change the font size to 36. You can also bold them as well. Now let's move on to the cell B4. Here you're gonna type in sun. Then, just like earlier, you're going to drag this all the way to cell H4. And that is going to give us all the days of the week. Now let's go ahead and change the font size to 24. Then bold it. Then you want to change the fill color to a dark color. It's up to you, whichever one you want to use. Then you're going to change the text color to white. After that, you're going to click on borders. And you're going to select the border color to white. Then you're going to change the border style as well to the second one. Now you want to add vertical borders. Now that we're done with that, let's move on over here and change the fill color of this one as well to the same one we used earlier. The text color as well, of course. Then we can change the fill color of this here to something lighter. There we go. Now you want to select B6 to H11. Then change the fill color to something light, preferably gray. This should be good enough. Now let's head over to borders and add inner borders. Now change the font size to 24. Then change the text color. It's up to you, whichever one you want to use. Going to use the same color I used earlier. I'm also going to enable bold. After that, head over to cell H13 and type in this formula. Scroll up and click on cell B2. As you can see here, I misspelled the formula. It's supposed to be date value, not data veil, but I'll fix that in a sec. Now click on cell F2. Alright, there we go. Now you should have something like this. Now you want to click on cell H14 and you want to type in this formula. Click on the X here and then click on cell H13. There we go. Now head over to cell B6 and type in this formula. Scroll down and click on cell H13. Click on cell H13 again. Once you hit enter, you should have something like this. Now you want to select cells B6 to H11 again. Then you want to click on more formats up here. Scroll down and click on custom date and time. Now you just want to delete everything that you see here in this box. After that, you want to click on this arrow and select day. Then hit apply. Now our numbers should be fixed. Select cells B6 to H11 again. Then you want to click on format, conditional formatting. Then you want to change this right here to custom formula is. Then type in this formula. Then we can change the fill color. You want to pick a light gray color for this. Then do the same for the text color. Now hit done. Click on add another rule. This time you're gonna set this right here to date is. and you're gonna make sure it is set to today. Then you're gonna change the fill color to something light. I recommend yellow. Then you want to set the text color to black. After that, you want to hit done. Then you can close out of this now. All we have to do now is hide rows 13 to 24. Then click on view, and under show you're going to uncheck grid lines. And that's pretty much it. You now have your own working dynamic calendar in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.